Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnificalcrecraft YouTube channel. We are working on another project. I just want to remind you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Starting another project, we are going to be making the crown. Here is the crown we are making. I cut this rope 150 cl. So we have two. You are going to pick like this. You put this. You make something like a chain, put it in this way. You have something like a chain like this. Then you hold either side, either the right hand side or the left hand side. I'm going to hold the right hand side now. Then I'll cross this over to make my square knot. You can see what I've done. Then you do it. It's going to be right and left. You pull it, then you drag this in the middle. You can see what we have done. This is what we have. Now we are going to join it together. You join this with another square knot. So you can see we have joined it. Now the pattern we are working on, we have already joined this. We are going to join this one now. This is the front. So I'm going to join this. You have two here, you have two here. You join it together with a square knot. Join it together with a square knot. You can see. Then you have two on your right and you have two on the left. You can see that we have a square knot standing on its own, and this is standing all alone, not joined with anything. So you're going to pick this with this. You're going to join it together. That is going to give you the second step. You make your square knot again. You pull it, make it firm. So after that, we are going to have these two standing here with this other two. We are going to join them again. You make your square knot. Square knots, and you can see we have already fixed the ring for the handle of the pouch we are making. We have introduced alternating square knots here. If you look at it, we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lines of alternating square knots. So we are going into the pattern now. The pattern we are introducing, we call it spiral knots. The spiral knots, we are going to make 6 of it. Look at it. 1 spiral knot. This is the first one. Second one, the third one. After that, you will twist it, turn it this way, and you make another 3. This is number 4. This is number 5, and this is the 6th one, number 6. So we turn it a little, so you can see what we do. This is our spiral knot. I'm going to make another one. I'm going to start from this way, this, pull it, number 2, number 3, and pull it. After that, you're going to twist it this way, turn it this way, number 4, number 5, and the last one, number 6. So you can see we are done with all the spiral knots here. We are now going to join with a square knot. We are not doing spiral for now. We are going to join each of the spiral knots with a square knot. So you can see I've joined the two here. I move to the next one. I'm going to join again with a square knot. Join with a square knot. You can see what I've done. That's how we're going to continue. You move to the next one. You join the two spiral knots with a square knot. You join it with a square knot. So as we continue, you can see I have joined everything. Now we are going to do multiple alternative square knots. We are going to be using alternating square knots. You will continue this way. You do this square knot. You move to the next one. You make a square knot. See what I'm doing? You come to this place, you make a square knot. So when you are done, you come back to this side, just like that, alternating square knot. You'll be alternating the square knot. You come down here, you make another square knot. You can see. You come over to this side, you make another square knot. You come to the next one again. You can see that I'm coming down like that. You make another square knot. So you can see it now. You see how many square knots we have made here. So we have our spiral knot here. We are making alternating square knot. That's how we are going to continue.